Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can remove or delete your workspace in the Plain Project Management tool. So let us dive into this. Alright guys, so here in the Plain Project Management application, make sure that you're logged in with your account in the bottom left corner. And after that, select the workspace in the top left and navigate to the workspace you would like to remove. Let me go with this one here. Click into Settings below. And here under Administration in General, simply click into Delete this workspace and confirm by clicking into this button. However, guys, only proceed if you're sure that you really want to delete this workspace. I would like to keep it, so I'm not going to click into this, because if I do this, guys, I would lose all my data within that workspace. All members would lose access to projects and pages. Basically, the entire workspace with all its content would be gone, and that decision can't be undone, guys. So that's how we do it. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll catch you later.